Welcome back to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. In today's video, we're taking a look at OKX, a cryptocurrency exchange platform located at www.okx.com. This platform offers a wide range of services for trading and managing digital assets. While we won't delve into a comprehensive review today, we want to briefly highlight some of the core features and offerings available on OKX. Navigating to www.okx.com, users are presented with a sleek and modern interface. OKX provides a platform for buying, selling, and trading various cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your crypto journey, OKX aims to cater to different levels of experience with its diverse range of tools and resources. They offer functionalities like spot trading, futures trading, and options trading, providing flexibility for different investment strategies. Beyond trading, OKX also provides services related to decentralized finance, DeFi. Users can explore opportunities within the DeFi space, potentially earning interest on their crypto holdings. This integration of DeFi features alongside traditional trading options offers a comprehensive experience within the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Security is paramount in the crypto world, and OKX emphasizes the measures they take to protect user assets. While specific security protocols are best explored directly on their website, it's worth noting that they prioritize the safety and integrity of user funds. For those looking to stay informed about the latest market trends and news, OKX often provides market analysis and insights. This information can be valuable for making informed trading decisions and understanding the broader cryptocurrency landscape. Overall, OKX, accessible at www.okx.com, presents a robust platform for engaging with the cryptocurrency market. From trading various digital assets to exploring DeFi opportunities, OKX offers a variety of features for both beginner and experienced users. Remember to always do your own research and understand the risks associated with cryptocurrency investments. Be sure to visit their website at www.okx.com to learn more. Don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more crypto-related content.